Many people are afraid of the unknown, but as long as the unknown remains unknown to you, you have no control over what is unknown. You cannot control what you do not know. You cannot have power over what you do not know, and what you do not know can hurt you. Now, let us explore this concept using true-to-life experiences. If you are desirous of using a particular equipment, there is a need for some training in how it functions. Training in how the equipment functions is necessary to grant you power over its usage. We refer to such training as enlightenment. You would have become enlightened by the acquisition of knowledge regarding the functions of the equipment. Enlightenment gives you power because knowledge is power. An individual who is constantly making use of the advancement of knowledge is said to be empowered. You cannot be empowered without enlightenment. You cannot be empowered without knowledge. The concept that what you do not know may hurt you must be extended to the infinite cosmos as well. If you know very little regarding the structure and function of the cosmos, you cannot achieve your highest self. In fact, ignorance of the laws that govern the cosmos can keep you in poverty, it can keep you in ill health, etc. Knowledge helps us form a belief system. A belief system gives life, purpose, meaning, and a sense of direction. Belief helps us to formulate conviction, and conviction puts us into action. So, to eliminate the fear of the unknown, you must bring the unknown into the known. And to bring the unknown into the known, you need to discover the knowledge that governs the unknown. The cornerstone to your spiritual awakening, your personal development, your health, your wealth is knowledge. At Think Big Life Coach Center, we are aware of the effects of a lack of knowledge. We recognize all the following as effects of lack of knowledge regarding the structure and function of the cosmos: intolerance, impatience, poverty, wars, unhealthy relationships, the concept of good and evil, resistance to change, doubt and fear, underachievement, and a misunderstanding of life's experiences. Yes, what you do not know can hurt you. There is danger in ignorance. Ignorance is debilitating. In this series entitled The Structure and Function of the Cosmos, my main objective is to awaken you to knowledge regarding the structure and function of the cosmos. It is my wish that at the end of the series, you will be empowered and that you will use this empowerment to change your life and your world. So stay tuned for part 2.